running, boy. Hello everyone, welcome to Liberebil. So, because of this lovely GTI and its extreme exhaust note, Jarod was feeling a bit picky. And he wants to remove some boxes on his Audi A5 2-liter turbo. Seeing that this is Liberebil, we are car channel, I think he also wants to be a bit more cooler now.
Yeah, I want to feel like a cool kid.
So we're basically going to remove the box. We are going to profit exhaust, thanks to Brandon Almazan for actually sorting this out for us. And we're going to film over there. He's secretively very excited. He's just acting like it's all okay. Check how far back is the seat. Look how much legroom is here. Because of how far back the bloody seat must go. You can't even fit into your own car. Look at the roof.
I'm sorry.
You can't even hear it. So he like literally put his foot down and you can't hear. Like you can see me getting back in the seat, but like you can hear nothing. You can hear nothing. It's so quiet. So the intention is to remove a box in the center. And hopefully get some more exhaust sound here.
Yeah, the car's a little bit too silent.
The car's so silent, huh? And it's so, the traffic is like
I wake up early, I sleep alone. I try to find love from a stranger on my phone. My vision blurry, so I forget. Dying to hold you, but you left me here for dead.
So this is Brandon with the fast 8-valve on Kilani. Fastest line in the country, no?
So they say, yeah.
But yeah, check him out on his Instagram, check him out on his Facebook. I will link everything down in the description box below. And yeah, I'm pretty curious to see what this is gonna do.
Just want some sound, say take out the silencer.
This one over here?
Yeah, just take that one out.
Are you happy with that?
Yeah, let's do it.
Cool. Okay, we just hear what it sounds like with the box with the clamp removed in the center. So yeah.
It's quiet there. That's why I said you can test it like that. So that will just give you an indication of how quiet or how loud it is.
Yeah! That's not stock standard. Right, the exhaust boxes are off. They have to remove the clamps quickly now. And this is the one, and this is the other. So basically, how's it, bro? We're gonna put the pipe from, okay, you can't see now, but we're gonna put the pipe from there, if this thing will focus. Just see we clear. We're gonna put the pipe from there all the way to there. I'm walking around here and I'm like, what if someone steps on my shoes? Flipping, yes.
Yo, look at mine, it's quite dirty.
Yeah, yours is dirty.
Mine's dirty. But this guy is from a kitchen now.
I didn't think you.
No, I was really sitting over there on the floor. And then he's not coming.
I thought it would be my leg. I thought it would be entertaining. Yeah, I am Gebo. But yeah, looking very forward to hear what it sounds like, eh? Okay guys, so here's the final result. Are you are you excited? You're too tall, man.
I'm super excited.
Are you excited? I'm excited.
Wind, if there's any wind noise.
Yeah, no, I think it's interesting that you make cars louder and stuff like that because I don't know, as a car guys, we like to hear in the engine. So.
It was so funny, he was busy scaring me a little bit because he's telling me about this whole archive thing. Oh, you're getting
stop doing that. Yeah, no, the archive thing is hectic.
Yeah, he's telling me like, yo, I was starting to get scared.
Because you can't look into welding and he's like looking like into the welding the whole time. That sounds nice.
That's not bad. That's
You
not
like
bad.
that? It pops. Thank you to Mr. Brandon.
Pleasure.
I must say, if you want to get anything done on your exhaust, wait, just explain what you exactly do.
This is better than the camera.
We specialize in exhaust systems.
Awesome.
In the vehicle.
Awesome.
Any vehicle, so get it done here.
And then here in Kubrick Road, I'll link his phone number and Instagram and stuff down in the description box.
Yo,
That's not too loud.
it's not too loud. Well, I feel like the car's like running below 1 RPM.
Oh yeah.
We'll have to see, we'll have to see. Maybe in the future just put like that small little box back
Yeah,
on.
because we got the boxes back for the car again, so we can just put them on.
one back on.
If they're too loud.
No, not bad.
No, it's fine.
Oh, the wind's like breaking my face here. Sounds cool. Sounds cool. Sounds good.
And the rims aren't even up yet. This guy says, wait.
Yay, my mom's gonna watch this.
This guy says the fuel consumption is not that great. But because we listen to the sound the whole time. I made that 50 kilometers. Of course I made that 50 kilometers. Yes, see.
Open up your window there.
Why? That's cold.
Shame.
What do you mean shame? That sounds nice.
Can all these cars just overtake? They are taking so long. They know that Bucky is gonna drive 40 kilometers the whole way.
Yeah. Yes, see.
Yo, sounding mooi. Oh, whoops, putting on the wipers here because I'm getting nervous. I'm joking, it's just sounding too great. Yeah, I know this dude. Ready.
Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the new take, and I hope you guys enjoyed Jarod's new exhaust system on his
Audi A5.
on his Audi A5. So we are going to be doing more of these style of videos, so more vlogs on the channel. That's the only intention with obviously Mr. Potgieter over here. The plan is to, you know, a lot of you guys have been pressing me to do vlogs, and I just don't find the time, and I don't find like it's difficult to pick up a camera with rolling. But when someone else is on a video, you know, you can bounce off the person, and not like in that way, but like you know, there's a dynamic. So and it's funny also.
It makes it more fun for you guys to watch. Like you can actually get through the whole video, where like you can actually see, if you look back at the stats, people only watch a bit of the video, so at least now you're gonna be able to watch the whole video, and there's gonna be humor in the video.
Yeah, and if you guys also wanna know why I'm laying here, it's because I'm editing and he's editing.
Yep.
So yeah, the life of a YouTuber isn't as fabulous as all of you think. It's ask him, it's a lot of editing.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
But hope you guys enjoy.
More to the point, are you enjoying the exhaust system?
Yeah, that exhaust system, it's nice. I don't think I will put a smaller box on, because that's like perfect. But your cold starts in the morning. Jesus.
I'm gonna get him to record a cold start, and I'm editing now. Sounds good, eh?
Yeah, sure.
It's loud.
It's mad.
It's loud,
Mad.
yeah. I think the cold starts are like the loudest on these modern vehicles.
And
because-
especially like your revving, like once it starts warming up, it doesn't pop as much on this car because it's just 2 boxes off. Obviously, if you have a downpipe and a proper exhaust system and stuff, then it's gonna sound a lot different. But it pops. You just tap the throttle. Bah, 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 bah. But, yeah.
Guys, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give that thumbs up, subscribe, share with friends and family, and
Enjoy the cinematics too.
yes, he's doing all the cinematics, not me anymore. So Jarod
Yeah.
is doing some.
It's taking a little bit work off him because he's got too much to do.
Yeah, no,
at this
definitely.
point in time.
Definitely. If you guys are enjoying the new Kid on the Block, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, share with friends and family, and I hope you guys continue to enjoy content from Liberebil. We will always try and bring you top-notch, high-quality content.
Be free, be you.
Liberebil out.